What's going on, y'all? I'm Jason. I got Maddie's casing with me today.
We're going to put crab traps out.
Yeah, we're going to go right over here to Mexico Beach Canal, set some crab traps, do a little fishing. Oh, we're going to make our first stop right here. Sorry about the racket, they're tearing the concrete up for some reason. First stop. Mexico Beach General Store. Let's go in the store and see what all we got in here. Oh, sorry, Maddie. Sorry for the racket. We got this little section here, a lot of stuff's on sale usually.
Yeah.
That's all of this. Weights, squid, big old flying fish.
Yeah, it's a dumpster for your fish.
Yeah. What's going on, man? Let's come in. Glasses everywhere. Rod, reels. We got some food and stuff back here.
I want to get one.
Drinks. Hey, spool rod and reels and stuff back here.
Can I get something to eat?
Yeah. Morning, how you doing? Good. Get all kind of popping old jigs and look, that's even got a thing for YouTube, Instagram.
Jason.
Pretty neat. What? All kind of little lures,
Time it is.
shrimp, fish, gulp,
Now I got my snacky.
planer boards and lures and there's jig heads and
I got myself a Slim Jim, guys.
yeah, Madison got her a Slim Jim. You got all kind of hooks, weights. You got bait here.
Look at these weights. One.
Hi guys, we made it to the canal. Let's get these traps ready, bait it up and get them put out. Pull all my rope out. Go right there. Flip it over like that. Dang fish just jumped right there, y'all. Okay. Here's another trap. Here. I'm gonna let Maddox hold the phone and film us.
Okay. I didn't mean to. Okay.
You can't see with your fingers in the camera.
My fingers in the camera and I get
Swap
stuff.
hands with the bag.
Sorry guys, that took a while. I just take a while to do things sometimes. Ow! I'm gonna get my ants.
We're using sardines as bait.
We always do.
Yeah. Throw them in there. They break it in half.
My dad's just trying to break sardines over there. Now I'm trying to itch for my feet. That looks very hard.
Some of them are frozen pretty good right now.
It looks very hard. And I'm not being sarcastic. The only reason I'm good at filming is because I make my own YouTube channel and I film myself, and it's pretty useful.
Get the action on this stuff.
You can come with us to get out of the trap.
That one's ready. Nice, make sure you're filming me.
I'm trying. I don't know what to do with this bag.
Get it back. I'll set it up.
I'm better filming with two hands.
Huh?
Alright, so the filming will be kind of bad, guys. I'm so sorry. But my dad's cutting it now because it's so hard. But now we're just putting in both traps, but that is the second trap, that is the first trap. But you can see my dad doing it. He finally got and decided to.
Huh?
Dad, look, I'm on the ground filming you because I had to itch my foot.
Back again.
Dad, show how it's done. I'm really popping up on this. Look, now you can see my dad better.
Hmm?
Your bait knife.
This is the trap that does not have bait in it, but we have to add more, but this is my dad. You're looking at his funky hat.
Alright, let's see. Get two pieces. Well, I'm gonna put them here. Alright, let's go set them in the water. I'll put one right here in this area.
One right here. Are you supposed to do it backwards?
It is upside down.
Yeah. Are you supposed to do it backwards?
It is upside down. The bait gate goes on the ground.
Oh, nice. Didn't know that fun fact.
I'll see this right here. Get this extra line, take it in right there. Let's go get the next one.
So no one trips on it. Oh, I'm gonna stay right here for now because I don't want to climb back up there. Hey, I'm getting tired. All right.
Oh, here's the next one.
I think we're going to set it by that pool over there. I already told you guys this, and if you watched it another time, and you can watch it another day, just remember that I said that I literally film as good as I can, because honestly, the only reason I film good is because I already told you this, but because I make my own YouTube channel, but go subscribe to that because it's called Maddie Cotton. I don't have really much subscribers, but this is Cotton Outdoors, and I'm wearing the Cotton Outdoors shirt right now. Do you like what I just told him?
Mm-hmm.
Because I need I need some subscribers.
Alright guys, so this is the canal here. Runs all the way back around over here, runs under the road, and there's a boat ramp over there. It is the Gulf of America.
Tell him to subscribe to Maddie Cotton.
Yeah, I guess go to her channel and subscribe to her channel.
Maddie Cotton, just to let you know.
Hey, Maddie Cotton, whatever she said.
No upper cases. Well, the M is uppercase. So
But we did bring some fish poles. We are going to try to get some fish today too, so
you'll see my little face.
maybe we can catch some fish, get y'all involved in it.
Just put
Let's
my
see.
face in there. I got fish with.
That's still her little fish, little pinfish.
I got fish with.
Right now, Mr. Wish.
I have fish with.
Uh-oh.
Can I hold my catch?
Whee! Nice little pinfish.
Can I hold my catch? No, I don't want to. I think my shirt is good.
Oh well. That's one fish in the bucket already. You need some more bait, Maddox?
Yes, it is.
Bring it here.
Can you untangle my hook, please? Let's hold it. I told you I'll catch a fish first. I told you.
There's one.
I want to get more bait, Daddy. I think my setting is really good. Wait, look at the bottom. Oh, no, I'm so sorry.
This little half-ounce egg weight going up to that. That's all it is. Oh, Maddox done caught another fish. Dang.
It's the same fish.
Caught another pinfish.
Isn't it? It's the same fish. It's the same fish, Daddy. It's the same fish. I mean, it looks like the same fish. Is it the same fish? It's the same fish. It's
If we catch, say some big ones in here, like big ones, we start catching those, I eat them. Cause they ain't nothing but like a brim.
I caught a big pinfish before. You can go check that video
Hey,
out.
ready, Maddox?
I'm used to catching fish.
Now Casey's got a decent pinfish. It's my turn now. End of the rod, Maddox.
I'm just catching
Anyway,
fish.
cast out.
I'm just catching fish. I think I'm good at it.
Right here, Maddox. Right here. Oh, another pinfish.
Guys, I'm so special.
Yeah, you will.
Look at that. Good strategy.
Alright. So she's got 3, Casey's got 1, I'm still sitting at 0.
Ha 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 ha. Well, I need help. No, I don't. I know. I got it.
Just break your piece off.
Ow. Do I use the head or the...
Use the body, not the head.
I got this. I got the
Casey
tail.
got another pinfish.
That ain't pinfish.
What is it?
Weak fish.
Well, it is then.
Oh,
I got a fish.
yeah,
I
I'm
got a
gonna
fish.
get
I got a
another
fish.
one.
Can you lift a weak fish?
I got a fish.
I'm still in the lead of fishing.
I thought I had a fish. I had a stick.
Hey, can you lift a weak fish?
No.
Why?
I got teeth.
No, they don't.
That's another one down.
Where do you see teeth?
That's a different fish then.
That's a weak fish.
Nope.
No, that
I'm just going to have to quit fishing. I ain't got time. Maddox is catching all kind of fish before I could do anything. So.
Thanks, you gonna start taking them.
Well, I don't know how.
I didn't touch you.
Quite blank.
Man, down here's got a flounder. They have a nice flounder.
Good job.
Look, I'm finally on the board, y'all.
It's not even recording.
Look at the teeth on that joker.
He's got teeth.
Yeah.
That's gotta be like a sheep's head.
Some weird looking teeth. I don't know if I can. Look at those teeth, y'all.
Let me see. Let me see that.
Rough looking teeth, ain't it?
Ow.
Oh, dang. He needs to go to the dentist.
He pinned me.
Kason get the lead of me. I can't. Kason's at 2. I'm at 3. I can't let Kason get ahead of me. I just put my... Kason! I need help!
You need help with it, man. So you're crying on camera? Come on. Here. Maddox. Maddox. You get bites everywhere.
That's Max's tactic, just crying. Just make us look
Why are you talking about me?
Baited up again. And just a little piece of shrimp. Flip it out. And we wait. Oh man, hey, here, come on. Max, you got one? Nope. Bye. Yeah, we had a triple.
Triple. You know I like those triple chips. Should I cast him here or not? Dad, did you know if you laugh, you mess up your singing, you mess up your vocals when you sing? Remember this class? You mess up your tone. And Dad, you have to laugh with me. Yeah, for sure. That's good. I'm still letting you know that, right? I'm still letting the fish.
See, it's never a challenge until you win. That's Maddox.
Man, I got a bite.
Hey.
You can put me on a little swim bait or something and see if I can catch some flounder.
You got it across the bottom?
Yep.
Small fishy, big fishy, small fishy, big fishy. I actually got a big one. You got a what? The hook came out. Yeah, it's up here. Wait, hook's right there. Nope. Yeah, but my tackle box is impossible to get open. Nope. There's a pocket. The very front one. It'll be impossible to get anything closed or open. Yep. That's because I couldn't close it. I need a new tackle box.
I need help putting shrimp on. I got the fish. Yeah, I'm winning. Girl power. There's 2 boys, but I'm winning. So it's girl power. Girl power for the win. But
It's literally 7.
girl power for the win. No,
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it.
you got 4.
Yeah, 74.
I got 5. I caught 5 fish. Dad caught only. Dad, how many fishes have you caught? How many fishes have you caught? Cason's up to 4. I'm up to 5. Dad, have you caught 4 fishes? 2. And my dad's at 2, so I'm winning. Like, girl powers, girl power, girl power. If my dad doesn't put my bait on, I might lose, but listen to this. I'm not even tall enough to reach the camera. So, like, why'd you take that off?
See if I can catch a flounder right here.
Wait, can you hurry up and can you put my bait on first?
Hang on, let me tie this on.
Does Kason even know how to tie a jig?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. No, I'm really just off it because I'm sitting on a ledge. But
Casey.
Kason just got a big one.
Oh, it ain't no bacon.
So it's 5-5, and Dad's up 2. So
This week's fish was a fighter.
Kason, stop!
It will stand right there.
You just got salt water in my eye. I didn't know you would show it right there.
Well, the camera's right there, and you're like this.
Because I'm trying to see myself.
So I just went and tied on this little grub worm. See if we can catch a flounder.
Another pinfish. Max, what happened? You were in the lead. You were. You ain't got none. I told you. Did you get a bite? I might have to try that.
I'm going to take a break.
Guys, I might try to catch a flounder. came at me. That is not protein. It's got beef water in it. It's got, no, that's not 100% beef. No. Big.
What is that? Big croaker. See a nice size croaker there.
Like, you go to try to get more shrimp that we got.
You can.
Yeah, but I can visit the trip 30 times.
Ooh, he can't get the hook out. He can't get the hook out.
Baby.
You can let Joker.
Crab.
I put it in the cooler.
This is my first time holding a crab, and I'm doing it in the cooler. Look at the lake. Look at the shell.
Put it back in there too.
Look at these bunnies.
Here we go.
Oop, there's one. No. It's a nice female right
Give
there.
me all the-
Oh, my toe. Let go. You gotta come down.
I'm doing it for their own safety.
Nope.
Can I got it.
There's a crab claw on the ground.
Maybe. I know the claw come up at one max, so put them in there.
It pinched me. It pinched me, Daddy.
Yeah.
That's why I hold them by the claws, because I ain't risking that.
Wait, give me Dad, can you take the honey crab out of it?
Bunch of blue crabs.
I got myself some honey crabs.
Alright, we can go pull up the other one. It's down there. Right there. We gotta go over there. They're putting the trap back down. Pigeons. Alright, Max is gonna pull it up. Let's down. Let's dock right here. Max is gonna pull it up. Go, Maddox.
I'm big and strong. I can do
You got to walk back. You got to walk out here, Max. You got to walk over here, baby. You can't pull it through that crack.
I see a bunch of pinfish.
Yeah, these ones are fish. I'm gonna give them to you.
Those are big ones.
Oh, it's pinfish!
They're going crazy.
Look at the crabs, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. That's 12.
Calm down, crabs.
I got a whole pile of pinfish. Pinfish. I got a bunch of pinfish in here.
That's a big one. Look at that one.
Wait, we already caught that one. You see?
I'm gonna tip it over that way we can.
The fish can go back to the water.
Yeah, I got
Max,
a bunch of them in
record.
here if you want them.
Record.
No, I don't want to.
Record, Maddox.
I don't want to record.
Yeah, I gotta pick them up.
I don't want to record.
Nice record.
I don't want to.
But it's recording you.
I got 6 more big crabs in here too.
Hold on. Max, record real quick.
I don't want to.
These little porgies, you don't want the porgies, do you? Them 2 right there?
Oh, yeah.
3.
Shoot, yeah.
Oh, you want them all? Okay. I mean, I'm telling you what, they're great.
Here,
They
Max.
don't die. They're pretty simple.
Dad, can you grab the porky for me? I want to hold it.
It's a keeper down. It ain't got no eggs.
Hold on, Max. Trying to get this crab.
It ain't got no eggs.
I don't want you to pinch me, yeah. Dude, what'd you put on my butt?
Nothing.
There's a corgi right there.
Max, move.
Ow, that's my toe.
What the way, Maddox? Trying to
Make Casey. Don't let him get away.
make sure you I'm in Crocs. This is scary. Hey, Max, stand on that one and record.
Alright, I'm standing on the crab right now.
Alright, hey, you get off.
Alright, I want to hold this corgi right here. Can you pick it up for me? Whatever it's called. Alright, I'm holding another porgy for my own safety.
Alright, grab these
Hello.
next to the man over there.
You can put this one in
Go
here.
off for a strap. We'll do this right here. I'll just untie this real quick and bring it back. Come in here.
Alright, someone grab that pinfish.
Then we'll put these. Put the strap back out.
It's so beautiful, magical. Alright guys, my brother's over there in the truck, my dad's over there. We got lots of crabs in here. I mean lots. Bye. Beautiful water. Seaweed in it. Walking around.
What is it, Casey?
My dad.
Huh?
And then this is the East Bay. Here, oh my god. That boat cannot be filmed, sorry. That boat cannot be filmed. And then this is like the area. So there's like palm trees and stuff. It's so beautiful out here, you know. You know. But it's so pretty out here, just waiting. Family over there. Hello. Bye. For right now. Y'all make sure you guys subscribe and subscribe to Canal Outdoors.
You got to keep the phone sideways.
Oops. Sorry. I'm still filming.
Oh, okay.
Who are you actually saying that to? Him? I'm gonna go ask.
Casey way over there. Got him a big swim bait on. He's gonna see he wants to catch a tarpon. He's trying, so we'll see. I don't know if he'll catch one or not, but maybe he will. Alright, we're gonna pull him up for the second time. See if we got anything else in there. You got a pull, baby. Pull. Let's see, I see a pinfish or something in there, I see. Oh, there's one crab in there, Maddox. Two crabs. You need some help, baby. We've got two more in there, y'all. One there and one there.
Can I get these crabs out?
I gotta go get the cooler.
I'm gonna go check the other one. Alright, so we have little crabbies in here. We have the same shelf from earlier. Nice, and then you can see these little crabbies here. Crabby. There's another crab right there. I think it's a female. I don't know yet, but that's a little crab. And I can just stick my hand in there and then you can come after me, but there's little like there's hermit crabs in there. What? I can stop filming? Alright guys, we're back and we're going to this trap over here. I'm probably going to pull it up too because honestly I'm just from the learning to pull it up. I'm trying to get my finger out the lens. I'm so sorry y'all. Just to give you another heads up, subscribe. Okay, hold your phone, please.
Alright. See what we got. You gotta come over this way. Come over this way. Alright, pull. Pull.
It's so hard right when it gets right there.
Well, we got 2 more. 1, 2, and a pinfish. Get all that grass off. We got 2 good ones in there.
Fish.
Here.
It's a porky.
Hold this side of the phone. Keep your fingers below the lens, baby. Well, there's a little porky in it.
Can I hold it? You know how much I love porkies. Wait, give me the hermit crab. Give me the hermit crab. There's a hermit crab right there. There's hermit crabs. Hi, baby. Hey. I just dropped that hermit crab right on my head. But
We got 2 more in there.
and I'm holding a corgi now. Whatever it's called.
Better get in there and see. 16 of them.
Now look. I like to see some more bait.
She don't want to go to the beach, so she plays in the water hose. Alright, y'all, it's the 3rd and final time. We're gonna pull them up. Hopefully we got a few more to have us a good crab dinner for Father's Day this weekend. Alright, I think there's 1 or 2 in there right now. Oh, we got 1 more.
That's gotta be right. 17.
It might have eggs though.
I'm taking a look right now. Nope.
No eggs.
Is it a male?
No, it's a female, immature female, but it's still a female.
That we can eat.
Give me the hermit crabs. Give me the hermit crabs.
Dad, if we were in Des, then that wouldn't be legal.
All Florida's
You
legal.
just
They
put
don't have a size
a, you
limit
just
in
put
Florida.
a hermit crab
I
in there.
thought in Destin they did.
Where'd it go?
Right there behind
Top of the
my crab.
crab I just dropped in there. Alright, hold on, let me dump this bait out. Get rid of them hermit crabs, please.
No, I
Hermit
will.
crabs.
I will. It's my business too.
I'll leave these here for the time. Alright, we headed to the other one.
How many did y'all get in that one?
Just 1 that time.
We have
Y'all
17
do got
now.
a good mess of crabs.
We have 17 now.
That's a good rusty belly there.
Oh yes, I'm ready.
We have 17
I've
though.
always wanted to take, when we go offshore a lot out here, I always want to take those crabs like that and drop them, because you'll catch a bunch of grouper and snapper and they'll be spitting up crabs like crazy. I always thought that'd be pretty cool to try. But
Yes. I like to eat them too much though.
yeah, that's the problem.
How many we got in there? 3? 3 more. Look at that, we got 3 more. Look at that. Holy smokes, that thing's huge.
Dad, can I help you pull it back?
Holy smokes, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see him or not. Holy smokes, let me get out the thing. Look how big that down here. I gotta grab this one in my hands. Look at that one. That one's just as big.
Flip his claw. Flip his claw. I dumped the hermit crab in that place. Ow.
Is that him?
Yeah. Look at that, y'all.
And his blue.
Holy smokes. That's 6-inch crab right there, y'all. Look at that thing. Look at that. Holy smokes.
Another hermit crab's out. Except for one.
That's a male. Thanks for your hair.
We got 20.
Ah, my hair almost.
This one here's even bigger, Casey.
Yeah.
He still got food in his claws. He's like, yep, I ain't letting my food go. Or she.
Well, she's about to be food.
Holy smokes.
That one's fatter. Does it got eggs?
There you go.
Crab right there.
Jeez.
Does any of them have eggs?
No, none of them have eggs.
Are they done having eggs? We almost
There
lost
he
that one.
goes.
All the crabs.
Alright, so we started to the bull. We ended up with 20 crabs today. There they are. I'm gonna throw some, about 6 or 7 in here in a minute when it starts boiling, because we're gonna make crab balls with them. Whew. But there's Brooke, it's a friend of ours from Georgia. Y'all know Amanda. She just put in a day, she had to work. Of course, we still got Maddox. Jason is riding a bike.
Go to the Dollar General.
But we got shrimp, we got the crab, and onions, lemons, taters, corn. Go in there and it's gonna be good. Alright y'all, we're in the finished product now. Got Amanda over here making crab balls. We took some of the crab meat, mixed it in for hush puppies and made fried crab balls. Got all the crab, shrimp, corn, taters, sausage in 3 different pans here.
Dad. Dad.
Tell me that don't look good right there.
Dad.
Alright, so we sat down, we're eating.
You didn't want the butter?
And I'm really hot if you can't tell. Ooh, look at my tuna eyes. Ooh, they bad. So there's my buddy Clint. He's been dying to be in a video, by the way. What do you think so far?
It's good.
He's probably lying because, you know.
No, fresh blue crab is where it's at.
And then you got Colin, that's their son. What do you think, Colin?
It's good.
Oh yeah, he's trying to become my editor and my videographer at some point, so maybe here in the future I'll have actual edited videos. What do you think, Brooke?
It's good.
Now start picking the legs off.
What do you think, babe? Maddox?
Yeah?
Well, I can see the corn's good. It's all over your face. What do you think, Casey? Was it good?
That was really good.
Yeah, you sure? Oh yeah, by the way, this is a rental house that they're staying at down here when they come to visit. It's got some really weird decorations, but it's really cool too. It's really big. They got a gong right around the door right there.
Here, I'll ring
Out
it.
there.
Don't you dare.
There are some weird decorations. That window is
Here's the gong.
hanging window.
I love that.
But why there?
Dinner time!
But you can put them on the
Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully in the next few days I'll have another one coming out for y'all. I don't know what we'll do. We went ditch fishing, now we've done this. Think of something. Hey, if you come up with something you want us to try or do,
Let's go red snake.
just leave a comment.
yeah.
And I'll try it. Just leave it down there. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.